On that morning of that fight with Derek Lewis, I get up to do my shakeout. I go run, hit my pads. As I'm on the treadmill, I'm like, I don't feel great this morning. Like, I'm kind of like achy, right? Shannon, I'm running, I sneeze. Bro, when I sneeze, threw my back out.
What?
My back went out, so now I'm stuck hunched over. Mind you, at 1 a.m. tonight, I've got to walk to that octagon and fight Derek Lewis. You can't lose a main event on the day. So then they come and they massage me, they give me a stem cell treatment. They get me up in about around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I go fight. 1 month after that, I'm in the gym training. I kick Kane's leg, he checks it, tingle goes all the way up my leg. Now I'm paralyzed almost. And from that moment on, I just was not the same guy.